Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain and giving you an exclusive look into my financial journey. If you've ever wondered how people build wealth, manage money, and secure financial freedom, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing the steps I've taken, the mistakes I've made, and the lessons I've learned along the way. Whether you're just starting your own journey or looking to optimize your current strategy, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these methods or if you have other suggestions. When I began my financial journey, I had zero savings and a lot of uncertainty. Like many of you, I wanted to achieve financial stability, but I wasn't sure where to start. The first step I took was setting clear financial goals. I asked myself, what do I want to achieve? This included everything from paying off debt, building an emergency fund, to investing for the future. One of the key strategies I used was budgeting. Budgeting is essential for anyone looking to gain control over their finances. I used a simple but effective budgeting method called the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This method helped me to prioritize my expenses and save consistently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these methods or if you have other suggestions. Another crucial part of my journey was finding ways to increase my income. I realized early on that relying on a single source of income wouldn't be enough to achieve my financial goals. So I explored multiple streams of income. Side hustles, freelancing, and investing were the main avenues I pursued. I started with freelancing, leveraging my skills to earn extra money on the side. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr were instrumental in connecting me with clients who needed my services. This not only helped me increase my income, but also allowed me to develop new skills and expand my network. Investing was another significant step. I knew that to build wealth, I needed to make my money work for me. I began by investing in the stock market, starting with index funds and gradually moving to individual stocks as I became more confident. The key was to start small, stay consistent, and reinvest the returns. Remember, every little bit counts. Even if you're only able to invest a small amount, it's the consistency that will pay off in the long run. Debt can be a major roadblock in any financial journey. I had my fair share of it, from student loans to credit card debt. The first thing I did was create a debt repayment plan. I used the snowball method, where I focused on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. This gave me a sense of accomplishment and motivated me to keep going. I also made sure to avoid taking on new debt. This meant being disciplined with my spending and avoiding unnecessary purchases. Instead, I focused on living within my means and saving for future expenses. If you're dealing with debt, remember that it's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and you'll eventually see the light at the end of the tunnel. Investing became a central part of my strategy. I diversified my portfolio to include stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. Diversification is key to managing risk and ensuring that your portfolio can withstand market fluctuations. I also invested in my education. Continuous learning is crucial in staying ahead in the financial game. I took online courses, read books, and followed financial experts to deepen my understanding of different investment strategies. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is the importance of patience. Wealth building doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, time, and the right mindset. But with the right approach, anyone can achieve financial freedom. If you're serious about building wealth, start by educating yourself and taking small, consistent steps towards your goals. A significant part of my financial journey has been planning for the future. This includes retirement planning, saving for big life events, and ensuring that I have a safety net in place. I started contributing to retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs early on, taking advantage of employer matches and tax benefits. I also set up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and protects you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Planning for the future also means setting long-term financial goals. For me, this included saving for a down payment on a home, investing in my children's education, and building a legacy that I can pass on to future generations. No matter where you are on your financial journey, it's never too early or too late to start planning for the future. That's a wrap on the behind-the-scenes look at my financial journey. I hope you found these insights helpful and that they inspire you to take control of your own finances. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these methods or if you have other suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.